is the part number in case anyone's interested in getting them. So they fit the Veloster and fine, so yep. And install the OEM ring guards. That's what it comes with. It comes with 6 clips, 2 primers, and then surface cleaners. We start off by installing these little clips. The hook side goes towards the tape, so it goes clipped in. Same thing on this side. Right now I have the well visor ones, but decided to replace them because the driver's side, this one side was peeling off from the visor side by plastic dipping. I don't like how it came out either, so. But on this side, I took it off already. Tried to clean it up. Took off the plastic dip in this one. Alright, so this is how it looks without it. They don't stick out as much. I think the OEM ones stick out a little more. Alright, this is the driver's side comparison. This is the well visor ones. This is the OEM one. Same like see-through material. That's what it looks like. This is what the OEM one kind of sticks out a bit more. It has 2 clips right here on the edges. The other ones had clips like right here. It's also on the edge, but the OEM one also feels more sturdy. This one, like, alright, we're gonna start off by cleaning where the 3M tape is gonna go with. Clean it all around here, through here and through there. It's a pretty big wipe, so. So what I like to do is get an X-Acto knife, because I don't really have nails and it's really hard. So you just kind of start it off at the edge and like just start peeling it off. Once you can get like a piece, just rip that out and kind of just fold it like that. Trying to get it so you guys can see. All you need to do is just get it started, like peeling it up. Should be good enough right there. So you just get it and you just fold them. This is so when you pull, when this is gonna be sticking out, I'll show you guys what I mean, but it's gonna be sticking out and you just kind of pull it and then push it in so it can stick good. All right, so you just snap that and then you just put that on there. Should be good. You get these, and you just align your you align the window visors. You clip it in with the clip. This one goes clipped in as well. And just make sure it's pretty smooth. All right, now you can start peeling. Peel that off. Push in. Same thing right here. You start peeling and sticking it. Peel like a good amount and just be making sure everything's still aligned around the hole. So here you can still move it, but this side that's peeled, you're not gonna be able to move it as much. So make sure the tape doesn't rip. So leave like about 2 inches before you start peeling it, because if you stick it close to here, like you push that in, it's gonna be hard to pull. You're gonna break or rip the red tape, or red peel, seal, whatever you want to call it. So always leave like 2 inches and then you start pulling. Same thing, make sure everything's still aligned. Everything is still aligned. Alright, now you can peel it off completely. Then you just go around and just making sure it's all stuck good. So the clips, you can see it's where it's clipped in, where it hooks on, I mean. That's where it hooks on. You can kind of see the tape. Same thing this side, that's where it hooks in. That's what it looks like. It's the driver's side. This one still has the well visors, so it sticks out a tiny bit more. It's also longer within the back. This is the well visor one. This is the OEM one. I think I might keep this one, or I don't know. I'll see what I do. But that's that. What I like to do is get a hair dryer or a heat gun. I mean, anything that produces heat. Just if you have a heat gun, don't put it too close. Don't do it for too long. Right now it's like 70 degrees outside. Should give it an hour for it to cure, but just to be extra safe, I get a hair dryer. Just blow hot air on it. This is what the OEM ones look on the inside. Or how they look on the inside. These are the well visors. You can see the plastic dip there. They don't really mess the job, but it's the back. Alright, so this is the driver's side. This one's the passenger side well visor. This is the passenger side OEM one. You can see it sticks out a tiny bit more than the well visor one. It also doesn't go as far. It's just like a little bit shorter. I'll show you guys right now what I mean. This is the rear passenger side. Kind of broke. It was really glued on there. But that's what you want. You want the well visors, or the visors in general, to be on there pretty firm, so they won't be coming off. Alright, so now we're going to install these passenger side ones and show you guys what it looks like. Before we install, we're going to put these little clips, same thing as the driver's side, so the hook is going to be facing out or in towards the car. Trying to get this so you like this little clip. Once you got that in, just push it in and it snaps in place. There's the hook. Here's the other side. Try to get it. It's easy to put in towards the side, and then you just put that in. That's what it looks like. And the same thing for this one, the passenger side. Alright, once you got it clipped in, same thing, you make sure to start peeling it. So this one you can pull that out and just push it in. And with this one, peel that off, push it in, maybe about an inch or two, so you're able to pull it off without any problem. Just make sure everything's aligned. And peel the rest out. That's the back one. Same thing for the front one. I already peeled this side off. Same thing to the top. Peel the rest off. That's what it looks like after. That's what the outside looks like. Sticking out a bit more, sticking down a bit more, and a little bit more out, but not too much. So this is the original one, the OEM one. I mean, my bad. This is the well visor. You can see how much sticks out. But these are also like a little bit lighter black, I would say. These are more gloss black. Get a back shot. So you can tell right there, sticks out a little bit more, the OEM ones. A little bit more, go down more, and they stick out a tiny bit more.